Might as well start the vlog now. We got the crew. We're going out on boat. Finished filming this video for Matt. We're waiting on his sister and her boyfriend. These are two new people. This is Bree, right here. She's showing her face full of pizza, and then you got Mike over there. You know, he's the El Capitano. How do you say captain in Spanish? I don't even know. But brought my Capitan. Is it Capitan? Capitan. Nice little yeah. We're gonna go out and watch some fireworks and stuff, and then do. Bringing the Filmaroni camera. We're actually
Not vlog. That's his new name, Mike.
Not vlog.
Yeah.
Not vlog industry.
Come on, Matt. You want to pull the boat closer for me?
You want to rock the boat? What a moment I'm having. I feel great. Are you on board or not?
I'm on board.
I'm trying to think of like boat puns.
Yeah, and you're the one who gets me a frappuccino.
How's it looking? Is that a vlog?
This is a vlog.
You're the one who gets a frappuccino.
We're vlogging, bro.
Vlogging.
That sounds actually pretty good.
That's hard.
He goes and gets it for the stars.
Oh, I'm the assistant person, or the...
Why they got all
I
those
don't
booties
know what
out
they're
there?
called.
Oh man, that sunlight light is? It's like cool.
Yeah, it's beautiful. What'd you say?
Picking up speed. Coming out.
Sun over here. Yo, I'll wait to film right here.
New York, right there. Right here.
Yeah, they can get on this side. Yeah, you want to get on this side? On this
Sun's
chair?
right there though. Like if you're like filming from this way. You know what I mean?
Would it like fuck it?
Themselves, for sure.
We're real efficient.
I don't know if you'll be able to hear me. Probably. Oh God. Something's hitting me. I can't drop this. Right over above. Literally. Whew. So it's gonna be a shorter vlog. I'm just gonna, you know, hopefully I don't really have that much of a stabilizer for the phone and the boat, and so hopefully it's bearable. I don't know. I mean, we're just rocking. All behind, you know. Woo! Woo! Anyway, so, oh my God. Oh, bugs. Got bit. I got bit. There's some fish jumping. Get some things. We're just waiting for the fireworks, and then we're gonna shoot some B-roll. So I'll throw some B-roll for the video in the vlog so you guys can see. I'm filming everything on the phone, by the way. So we had some technical difficulties, and I didn't have the DSLR today. So we gotta film partially of this music video with my phone, so we could do that. Alright, so that was a little bit of them. Hopefully it wasn't that bad. We got a cool ass sunset behind us, so we have that. And Mike, are you fishing? Mike's fishing.
Trying to kill these fish, yo.
Trying to kill fish.
Trying to kill these fish.
Fish have feelings, man.
Yeah.
We're fishing, I guess.
Fish are friends.
Not food.
Oh my God. So, woo.
You know what that looks like?
Woo. I'll try to clip in a little bit of what I film with the phone. It's really hard to like stabilize everything what I'm doing right now, because you guys have seen my setup. I think I'm not too positive. So, But it's like really kind of just like a dinky. It's kind of like the Gorilla Pod, but it's like a minier version. And then I just kind of like rigged up everything else, so it's like not that stable. I gotta get a stabilizer for my phone, but they're like $600, so I'll eventually get one. And then yeah, so hopefully fireworks will be soon. I gotta go charge my phone a little bit if I'm gonna be filming more, because I am shooting 1080-60 at the moment, so that's taking up some battery usage and space and stuff like that. So. You want to get them driving? Alright, we're doing another. I heard. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna shoot them cruising the boat with the sunset that way real quick. So.
She's kind of crazy.
Yeah.
She said like Stephanie. Like
That
I
beat
call her
of
Stephanie or
Ooh
something
is so
like
good.
that.
That that Ooh beat. Ooh, like her Young M.A.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Like that, like kind of what's that dude called? He went to jail.
Meek Mill?
Bobby Shmurda.
Body St- oh yeah.
Yeah. I think
Bobby
that's, like,
Shmurda.
Same like affiliation. I'm pretty sure.
Alright, so we need to get them jumping. You want to jump in the water?
Yes.
He wants to jump in the water, so we're gonna get him jumping in the water.
Bob's just like, I can't.
Are you gonna jump in
And
the
then
water?
you're gonna be okay.
I'm gonna go in with my phone and all. I mean, they
You're
say it's
crazy.
waterproof.
Don't even worry
No,
about
They
it.
say it's
do
they
that.
say it's
Don't do
waterproof,
that,
right?
bro.
It's
Every
waterproof.
life, yo.
It's waterproof. Up to like 10
Well,
feet.
then you're gonna take the fucking mic off then.
Who's Mike?
Oh, the microphone's waterproof too. It's,
Oh shit.
I won't let that happen, but.
Water happened.
oh my god. All right.
So you want me to turn the boat
All right,
back
new
so I can
scene.
jump off the back
He
with
fell.
this?
All right. Show you guys a little bit of that going on. We got them. Hold on, real quick. Do a front flip for the vlog.
Oh.
Do a front flip for the vlog. We're doing this.
Touch again. You got
Try
it.
to do a backflip.
I can't do a backflip.
We're doing this.
What do you mean the top? Up here?
No.
Yo,
I'll jump. I can't front flip off it. I'll
Can
jump
you
it
jump
though.
off here, yo?
Yeah, fuck it.
Yo,
Stay on the front.
film
All right,
this
we're filming.
bitch.
Hold on.
You gotta film this bitch.
Yeah.
You gotta sign a contract though that says if you get hurt, you can't
This
sue
part
me.
here?
You better not.
The front has like
All right,
an air
so
slot.
we're gonna try to get him jumping off from the top.
So you climb
From the top. And also, Matt says he's gonna
Vlogging
become
this
a.
whole, like,
He's
video
gonna be a rapper now apparently.
I am.
Matt is a rapper.
I am.
Matt is a
As of
rapper.
10 minutes ago.
10 minutes ago.
I am.
All right, so
They call me Maddie
I really
Soprano.
don't back this.
Maddie Soprano, you heard her
Playing
first.
the piano.
Better.
Not backing it.
Eating cannolis. Are you filming him clap though?
Careful.
Yeah,
Did
boy,
it.
boy.
All right, made it up.
I know.
All right, I'm feeling kind of high.
All right, everybody, rock the boat.
Literally.
Rock the boat.
You look majestic right now.
Yo, what if you film him from the top, from the front?
I am going to.
Into the sunset.
Hold
Literally.
on.
Ready?
This is part of my vlog, but I'll just clip it out, so we can just do that.
Is it
And then, oh my god. What?
Like vlogging.
I'm vlogging, but I'll clip out the parts that
Dive
Matt
straight
wants,
down, touch the bottom.
just so I can keep recording. Alright.
Yo, like this. You get the whole view.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's wide. Hold on, Mike. Check this out.
I'll never let go, Jack.
I'll never let go.
Here's the front flip.
Can't do it. No, it's not a front flip. It's just a
You're not
jump.
gonna do a front flip?
You gotta do a
Come
front-
on, you gotta do a front flip.
Hit his head on the fucking
I gotta
wall.
clear that, dude.
It's easy. It's like a foot.
You're right. 2,
Mike, you're
Oh.
scaring me, bro.
1.
Push- oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Ow!
My back. Are you alright?
You went 4 times the amount of air to do the flip. You should have did like 1.5.
Bro, you couldn't have done
The
2 flips.
hero!
Yo, what a fucking.
Oh my god.
What a legend.
Legend right here.
Legend.
Now Swanton bomb off of it.
Yeah, yo.
Yo,
Jill, you do it.
If I was wearing like actual shorts, because I'm wearing like jean shorts, if I was wearing shorts, I would totally do it. Back in my day as a swanton master into the water. Oh god.
Rob, there might be a that happens here, it'll definitely be fun. Like that's the size that you're looking for. One of those little beach ones you see and shit.
Oh,
Do you think we can push it any closer?
all right.
A little bit, not too much.
So-
Get in the shallow water.
A little snippet. That's a different town's fireworks. We're waiting for these fireworks over here. We're waiting for those ones, so hopefully they'll be a little bit bigger. These are kind of cool though. Gonna move the boat around. Whew.
I feel it.
There we go. We got the fireworks. We're honking the horn. America. America.
Yeah, my song's on.
America.
I gotta pee.
That was actually a really short firework thing. It was like, no joke, it was like maybe like 6 minutes. When like Union Beaches was like a half hour. So, yo, that's gonna wrap it up, guys. We're gonna head back. It's gonna be too dark for anything.
That's like we just need to film the music video
That was
thing
it.
for that music video.
Yeah.
The fucking.
Yeah.
Good job.
Hotel.
Good,
Thanks, dude.
good job to the actors.
That shit was fun.
Acting.
Alright,
Acting.
Now film me peeing off the edge of the boat.
He's gonna pee off the edge of the boat now.
We'll put that in.
He's gonna pee. Yeah, we'll put that in.
Ow!
Let me just
Hi, Bree.
definitely
Oh!
turn the light off, probably.
Yeah, turn the spotlight off.
Oh, please, it's so blinding.
All right. Well, that kind of wraps it up. We are back on land. We are going to the cars. I hope you guys really enjoyed that. I actually said that this might be a shorter vlog, but it actually might be kind of. It'll be short. I don't know. We'll figure it out. You know, leave a thumbs up if you guys did enjoy that. I don't know if you guys can even see me right now, so oh well. I mean, I'm gonna say. So, all right, guys, leave a thumbs up if you did enjoy that. Until next vlog, I am out.